at Baba. We love to eat food. See Kathy right there, just eating. How's that? Got the couples right here. Thank you, Kiara.
Yeah, almost like high 80%.
Oh, see that? Everybody love food. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Should be looking. The driver is backing up and there's so much contact, right? I know you guys get in and out of that van 100 times a day, right? So one time you don't take it, right? So one time you don't take precautions. Like you shouldn't be going anywhere above 5 or 10 miles an hour, right? So like you're a main street and you're coming off of a side street from a complex. I know yesterday it was raining, kind of storming out there.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it says that here I got a 14 tote bags and 25 overflows, and it looks like we got the Kaneohe side. I got switched to it. Interesting. Anyway, see you guys on the flip side. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, loaded up and ready to go. I got my thank you, Justin Drago. Really appreciate the help, bro. We're gonna smash today in Kaneohe. 201 packages. Easy peasy. Let's go. Ooh, first 2 stops over here at the Kaneohe Shopping Center, I guess. Nice. I delivered to one of these stores, and look at this, chicken on top of my van. First time delivering over here at Castle High School. Shout out to Castle. That's what's up. First time in here. Nice. This is awesome. Kaneohe side. It has that beautiful mountain view. I like it. Wow, still delivering to this place. Ooh, it is magnificent. Check it out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're done for the night. What a day. Kaneohe was beautiful. Like it. You guys have a good night. Day number 69. Wow.